Is grease spilling out of your Ninja Sizzle while you cook? Overflowing drip tray? Grease leaking onto the counter? This is usually caused by blocked drainage, overfilling, or cooking too many fatty foods without breaks. Let's fix it step by step and keep your cooking space clean. Step 1. Check the drip tray placement. Make sure the drip tray is fully inserted and flush with the bottom slot. If it's even slightly out of place, grease can bypass it and pool underneath the grill. Step 2. Clean the grease channel under the plate. Remove the cooking plate and inspect the shallow grease channel below it. Wipe away any built-up oil, crumbs, or residue that could be blocking the flow. A paper towel or soft brush works great here. Step 3. Don't overload with high-fat foods. Cooking large amounts of fatty meats like bacon or sausage, split your cooking into smaller batches to avoid filling the tray too fast. Empty the tray between rounds if needed. Step 4. Elevate the back slightly. Optional tip. Place a folded towel or silicone mat under the back feet of the unit. This gives the grease a slight slope toward the tray, especially useful if you notice pooling near the front. Step 5. Clean the tray after every session. Even small grease leftovers can block flow next time. Empty and rinse the drip tray after each use. Let it dry before sliding it back in. That should stop any messy grease overflow and keep your Ninja Sizzle clean and safe. Still having trouble? Ninja support link is in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling.